The Inter Miami star was substituted in the 89th minute of Argentina's 1-0 win against Ecuador on Thursday in their World Cup qualifying campaign. The 36-year-old scored the winner in that contest, but fears were raised when Scaloni said his captain felt something late on in the match and asked to be replaced. Following medical tests on the Argentine World Cup winner, Scaloni has given an update on the Barcelona icon ahead of Tuesday's qualifier against Bolivia. He said, "Messi is going to travel to Bolivia. Today he trained differently, but there are still 2 days left until the game, and we will make the decision tomorrow whether he plays or not. The team is going to be similar to the one that played against Ecuador."